Using JamBoard, we start in our Google Drive. To access JamBoard, go to the top right corner of your screen and find your waffle. This is where you will locate all of your Google Apps. In your Google Apps, scroll down until you see the icon for JamBoard. Here, you can click JamBoard. Once you've clicked JamBoard, you will see previously created jams, or you can create your own by simply pressing the plus button here. When you create a new jam, you start with a blank slate. You have a white canvas to put things on. To set your background color or to use a previously made template, you simply hit Set Background, and you can apply different templates that already exist in JamBoard. To your left is your navigation toolbar. Here, I have a variety of tools that I can use to edit my JamBoard. I can draw things using the pen. I can erase those annotations that I just added. I can select various things using my select tool. I can add a sticky note, and I can also change the color of my sticky note. To add a sticky note, I just simply pick my color and type my response and hit save. And I can continue adding sticky notes this way until I hit cancel. I'm able to add an image, either uploading it from my computer, a specific internet URL. I can take a picture with my camera. I can Google search for images, or I can just simply upload from my Google Drive. This icon will allow you to insert shapes. Here are the various shapes you can insert, and then I simply get a crosshairs to draw the shape as I would like to. I can edit the color of the shape by clicking the Fill Color button. I can also change the border color by clicking this button. To insert a text box, I hit the text box icon, and then I can type text. If I want to highlight specific things while I'm talking in my JamBoard, I can use my laser. My laser will help me to focus things, but it immediately goes away when I highlight those objects. When I'm ready to share my JamBoard with others, I can hit the share button. This will bring up a variety of options to share either with email addresses or names that are located in the server, or I can copy the link. When you see that you've got the copy link icon located, it tells you that this is only available to those with Polk County Public Schools access. If I want to change the restrictions, I simply hit the Get Link, and then I can change it to anyone with link. And they can either be a viewer or an editor, depending on how you're collaborating. Viewers can input using the JamBoard icons on the left. Editors can change the entire JamBoard from start to finish.